Welcome to a voyage into the microscope. What if I told you there were ghosts? Ghosts all around you and even in you right now. Well, there are. But before we get into that, this is an amoeba. It is obviously alive and definitely not a ghost. Amoeba are single-celled organisms. They only have one nucleus, the little thing that contains all of their DNA. They are literally one cell. Humans have many hundreds of thousands of these nuclei, all doing different jobs and making different cells like skin, liver, heart cells, and everything in between. Amoeba only have one, but that one does a heck of a lot. The membrane around them contains everything that they are and does everything that they need to do to stay alive. Inside an amoeba they have, of course, the nucleus, but they also have something called food vacuoles. These are little stomachs. They fill up with digestive juices to break down and extract the nutrients from the food that they capture. So, unlike us, they can make any number of stomachs, whereas we only have the one. This can be a disadvantage to them. It means they need to make a new stomach for every piece of food that they eat, and that takes energy. Look carefully. You see that opening in the skin of the amoeba, which seems to get larger before it pops. This bubble stops the creature from exploding, from taking on too much water. It's called the contractile vacuole, and it balances out the osmotic pressure within the cell. You are probably thinking, am I sat here watching an amoeba pee? Yes, you are. It's rather fascinating, isn't it? Rather meditative, one could say. But back to the ghosts. Are there really ghosts all around you? Well, yes, but not in the haunted mansion kind of way. You see, amoeba are surrounded with ectoplasm. They create this substance on the outside of their bodies to help them move along the microscopic world that they live in. They use this ectoplasm to extend a part of their body outwards, called a pseudopodia, which in Latin means false foot. It's only a theory as to how this works. It's difficult to test and see exactly how these things work when you are dealing with creatures smaller than the head of a pin. There isn't a way to pick it up, turn it over and tickle it. The way amoeba move and eat is so very similar to how our white blood cells work, so you could technically be full of ghosts. They both move in a very similar way, and feed the same way too. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Being a few microns big doesn't get you much leeway in the micro world, because here comes the cyano train. We hope you have enjoyed your voyage into the microscope as much as we did taking you along with us.